Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed just across the river into mid-Missouri. It's an example of a three-generation design. 3 generations coming together to create this one-of-a-kind vehicle. Grandpa, Dad, and adult son. We think the end result is just phenomenal. Starting off with the paint, it's a Cadillac Escalade paint that came from a picture they brought to us and said, "Can you duplicate it?" We said absolutely, and here it is in Glazeret. Building a foundation under this vehicle, you've got our billet aluminum wheels with the red calipers from Willwood shining through. Then you've got a Kinzer Engineering chassis with active ride control. This provides the platform to build everything off of, and wow, what a vehicle it is. Let's take a look at the interior. When I say this is one of my favorite leathers, it is because it's so incredibly soft and smells absolutely amazing. Wall-to-wall leather, including a leather-covered roll bar, Alcantara headliner, barnwood bed. Bringing it all together, the entire package of this vehicle just really works. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.